All right, all right, guys. Good evening. Today, I want to just teach us some basic trading techniques and certain things that you need to take into consideration when you are trading forex. All right, guys. I know that you guys at your level, you may not understand the intricacies between how to use technical analysis and fundamental analysis in your trading plan. Okay. So now let me just give you a definition of what fundamental analysis and technical analysis are in your forex trading. Okay. Now, basically, your fundamental analysis is your using news, okay, and some economic data to predict how certain currencies will move in the market. Okay. And now what I mean is this: certain news such as one, the interest rate, the GDP, consumer price index, all these macroeconomic indicators, how these indicators will help, you to, have a high probability trade setup. Okay. Now, your technical analysis is the use of, price data, past price data to determine, what will happen in the future, okay, or in the coming days, weeks ahead. So these are just the basic differences between technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Now, why is it important for you to combine these two analyses as a trader? It is important because certain news move currencies very rapidly, okay? So irrespective of your technical profile or your technical, markups, okay, there are high impact news that can, change your patterns, that can change, your price action, okay, on your chart. So that's why it's important, because when those news come, they're going to change the way traders behave in the market, okay? So that's why it's important to always follow this news. Now, the other thing I want us to know is this: if you are a technical trader, it is important that you add some element of fundamental in your trading. It will help you, okay, to improve the quality of your trade, the probability structure of your trading, okay? So now, one of the best, free websites that I want to show us, or that I want to introduce to us for your fundamental analysis is FX Trades. Okay, this website where I am now is the best forex fundamental website that you have out there that is free. It has a paid version. That's why this free version, you have all these advertisements around it, okay? All these advertisements will popping up and down, kind of trying to distort your reading. But never mind, okay? Now, let me tell you how you use this website. If you are trading any particular currency pair, let's say you are trading Euro USD, okay, when you come to the website, okay, just look at the news that shows on the first page, okay, and take advantage of that news, because what they do is that they show some premium news items on the first page, okay, so that to excite people to pay for the premium version. So when those news come, just know that, yes, for today, try and look at Euro USD. Try and analyze your Euro USD currency pair in your technical analysis, okay? Now, after analyzing it, okay, and you mark up your chart, okay? Let me give you an example now. If this is your chart, if this is your Euro USD, okay? Let me show you what I mean. If this is your Euro USD chart, okay, you first of all come to your, to your chart for your technical analysis. You come here and carry out your technical analysis and mark up your charts, okay? Now, after doing that, you come to your FX trade for your fundamental analysis and look at what the news is talking about or is saying about this currency pair. If you look at it, let me give you a typical example here. It said after a spike, to 1.0738, Euro USD pulled back amid a stronger US dollar and surging treasury yield. It is hovering around this price level as it continues to move sideways ahead of next week's Fed and European Central Bank monetary policy meeting. So next week, there's going to be this Fed and ECB meeting. Okay, so what that means is that this currency pair will continue to move sideways, to continue to range. Okay, so that gives you an idea that if you want to trade this currency pair, you have to trade it within the range structure. Okay, now pending when this news comes out. All right, so if the news comes out and the Fed raises interest rates and the European Central Bank maintains the previous week's or month's interest rate level, then you know that Euro USD is going to short, okay, which means that people are going to sell the euro and buy United States dollars. Okay, so now when you come back to your technical analysis, that's your chart, your price chart, now begin to look for an opportunity to short Euro USD, okay? So when that opportunity now comes in your chart markup, then you can now take the trade, okay? You can now take the trade and ensure that you apply proper risk management, proper risk and money management. Okay, guys, so that is what I want to show us this evening, how to trade your technicals with your fundamental. Okay, let me give you another example again. Now look at gold. Okay, you can see that the news on gold, you can just click on this news item to look at what it's talking about. So if you look at what this news item is telling us, that gold has been chopping. Okay, so as a technical trader, if you go to the chart, you see that choppiness of gold. Okay, it is XA. Sorry, let me show. Sorry, let me just get back to that chart. XAU, okay, USD, okay. Okay, so this is gold, all right. Let me just remove all the drawings. Okay, so guys, this is gold. Okay, now if you look at gold, you see that this currency pair. Let me go to the daily time frame. Okay, if you go to the daily time frame, you see that in the past couple of days, gold has been choppy. Okay, this market structure shows a choppy market in the last couple of days. Okay, so it shows that the market has not really taken a particular direction. Okay, even though as it is here, you can see that it has not been able to break this high. Even here, okay, it broke. It was not able to also break this high to change structure. Okay, now, so if you look at what the market is doing here, you see that this market is choppy. So for some days, the market has remained in a minute sideways movement like this. Okay, now if you look at the analysis here, you see that they're telling you to stay away from trading gold. That's why some of us that traded gold the last couple of weeks, we lost money because the market was just going up and down in a very zigzag manner. Okay, so this fundamental news will help you to better trade your technicals. Okay, when I come to, first of all, if you want to trade a currency pair or a commodity, I just come to FX Street and read what the fundamental is saying. It will help me, it will guide me in whatever decision I'm going to take on the technical front. All right, so guys, this is what fundamental and technical analysis mix of your trading is all about. I hope this helps, guys. If there's anything you want to know, about what I've said today in this video, please feel free to chat me up at our Telegram group, and I'll be excited to give us more explanation about this. Okay, all right, so thank you very much, guys, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.